Happy April! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries here with the video demo for our April Teen Take and Make Craft Kit. This month's kit is magnetic poetry because it is National Poetry Month. So this kit, which you can pick up for free at Columbus or Saluda Library, contains the materials you need to make your own magnetic poetry. You will need scissors and a pen or marker. And we do have 2 teen programs this month, one at Columbus Library and one at Saluda Library. So make sure to check out our website or Facebook page to see when and what those are. If you are interested in attending, those are for 6th to 12th graders. And then follow along with this video to make your magnetic poetry. Okay, so inside your kit, you have a rectangle of magnetic paper. So one side is the magnet and one side is going to be sticky after you peel off the sticker. And then you have 2 different colors of paper. So you can use both. You can do half and half. You can choose your favorite out of those 2 colors. And as I said, you'll need scissors and you'll need a pen or marker. So first thing we're going to do is peel off the back of the sticky part of the magnet. And let's see, I'm going to do mine half or more than half pink, and I'm going to do a little bit of green. Like I said, you can do one color, and if you do that and the sheet is folded, wow, this sticks really well, then you can just cut along the folded line. Alright, that stuck well. So there's a little sliver of magnet I'm going to have to cut off, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess. So I'm going to turn it over and just cut around the magnet, and that'll make it easier to maneuver. I was going to include a pre-printed list of words for you guys just to put on your magnets, but then I thought, you know what? It would be more fun if we decided on our own words. So that's why you have just blank pieces of paper, so you can use your creativity. Decide what words you might want to use in your poems. Alright, so now I have my paper. Paper on my magnet, so I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to think of some words. So you might want a different variety of words. I, we, you, and then so those are some nouns. Might get some verbs. I love, I want, we. Now this is hard to write your own words, isn't it? I'm going to write some adjectives. Beautiful. I'm just going to write some random words. Wonder, hiking, some things I like. Pink, unicorn. And then you might also want to add some simple words like a, and, the, to, so you can make full sentences. Library. Alright, so I'm not going to do my whole thing just for the video time here. You guys don't need to watch me, but after you do all of your words, then you can cut them out. And if you picked up the Teen Take and Make kit a few months ago, we made a magnetic message board. So you could use this on your magnetic message board to write your poems. Of course, any magnetic surface will work. The refrigerator is a common one for magnetic poetry. So you're going to cut out all of your words. And then, depending on your mood, you can make different poems. Every day, every week, whenever you feel like it. Alright, so my poem is going to be I love the library. That's not really a poem. I'll have to make it a little longer, but you can see how that works. So I hope you guys enjoy this project and maybe you write some more poems for National Poetry Month. Have fun.